Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular kitchen gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. And I wanted to show you today how easy it is to cook air fry frozen crinkle cut fries. I always remember them from childhood. They'd be cooked in the oven. Even though my mum did a good job of cooking them in the oven, they were always that bit soggy and they just weren't the same as the ones you had in the cafe. So this is the air fry version. They're crispy like you would have them deep fried, but on the same calories as if you threw them in the oven. And we also have 450 plus more easy air fry recipes over at RecipeThis.com, as well as a fantastic air fryer mini course which is free, and our free air fry newsletter. I recommend you check it out, and if you have any questions or comments you can reach out to us or just comment on this video. My first thought is this is an enormous bag of crinkle cut chips and there's no way I'm going to manage to put all of this in the air fryer and for it to all cook equally. Plus, we're not going to eat that many because it's just me and Dominic here at the moment. So you can open up your bag and then use as much or as little as you want in your air fryer. What I have in my kitchen at home is I have the middle drawer of my inside freezer, and that's just got half-eaten bags of frozen things. And what I recommend you do is you put a peg on the bag to stop all the stuff going out. We all hate it, don't we, when we end up with loads of frozen peas falling out and landing all over our freezer. And then you can go through and use these bags before you open some new ones. So just add as many or as little as you want. And that's the portion size I'm going to be cooking today for you. So simply spread them out, make sure there's none stuck together, and then place it in the air fryer. So let's set the temperature and the time. I'm going with 12 minutes. And I'm setting the temperature to 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, and then press start. And repeat. Let's check on our crinkle cut fries. Oh wow, they look absolutely fantastic. They've got a wonderful colour on them too, and from touching them they've just got that wonderful crispy texture that you just do not get if you did them in the oven. And bearing in mind it's the same amount of calories as if you put them in the oven. You know, you're not putting them in the deep fat fryer or anything like that. It's just absolutely fantastic. And we can't wait to tuck in. Okay, so we're dished up. I've got lots of tomato ketchup because I can't live without lots of tomato ketchup. And I'm going to try these crinkle cut fries and see how good they are. So a dollop of ketchup. They are really, really good. I have to have a little bit more. They are absolutely fantastic. And I'm now going to give them to my kids because they absolutely love crinkle cut fries. And do not tell anybody that I pinched one of their chips. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.